Hi, my name is Dorothy and I lead the interior design team here at Chapter New York. And I'm going to talk to you today about the difference between a townhome and getting into a brownstone renovation. So a townhome is typically a broader term that covers older and newer homes, whereas a brownstone is more of a historical building. Townhomes can be built in a variety of architectural styles and using a variety of materials, whereas a brownstone is really characterized by its reddish brown facade that's made out of sandstone that was the primary building material of the time. Brownstone facades also, you'll see a lot of decorative elements like columned entries, and they also have stoops or external staircases that lead up to the parlor level. Inside, you'll see a lot of intricate moldings, existing hardwood floors, and the floor plan is going to be more distinct and more traditional with rooms like parlor rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens. So it'll be different to that open concept that we're used to seeing today.